You like it?
That's really good. This is the best one you ever made.
Oh, thank you. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy baked macaroni and cheese. For this recipe you are going to need a bag of extra sharp shredded cheese, 4 cups. You're going to need a 2-pound box of macaroni. You're going to need a stick of butter, a box of velveta, and a can of evaporated milk, and an egg, and some salt. I know you see 2 bags of shredded cheese, but I only use 1 in this recipe, and the salt is only for the water, not to actually put in the noodles, because all the cheese you put in there is going to actually add all the salt that you are going to need. So you're going to preheat your oven to 350 so that when you are ready to bake, it is ready to go. So before this step, you're going to boil your noodles in about 6 cups of water, 6 to 8. Just gauge it so that it's enough water for your noodles and that your noodles don't soak everything up. Then right here, you're going to add your velveta by slicing it. Now, I will tell you that this when I make my holiday macaroni and cheese, I usually don't use velveta. I usually just use the shredded cheese, but I love the way it comes out using the velveta, and my kids actually loved it also. The pan is already gone. So yes, right here you can see me slicing the velveta and adding it to my noodles. The velveta helps to give it a creamy texture, and like I said, this is a quick and easy way to go about this, and I find that using velveta made this a quicker process. Next, you're going to be adding your your canned milk. It's not in a can. I was in the store and I saw that they had it in a little bottle, so I bought it. And then right here, you're going to be slicing up your stick of butter and putting it in there. And yes, this is not a healthy recipe at all. This is a treat, and I love it just for that, as a treat. So yes, you're going to quarter your butter, because if you quarter it, it will melt faster into the mixture. Here you're going to go ahead and crack that egg and mix it on in there. I save my egg for later because I like the noodle mixture to be cooled off so it doesn't cook your egg. If you put it right in after you boil the noodles, it'll start to cook the egg. So yeah, and clean as you go, guys. Clean as you go, because it will save you a lot of time. And now here you're going to be adding your shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Now, like I said, this is an easy recipe, and what makes it easy is a lot of the work is already done for you. So buying the cheese shredded will save you a lot of time. So I love buying my cheese shredded. Now during the holiday time, I usually will not buy the shredded cheese. I'll buy, it depends, but yeah. For this day, I opted for shredded cheese, and for this recipe, to make it easy, you're going to use cheese that's already shredded, and it melts up so nice and gooey. Now here you see it magically in my aluminum pan. Yes, an aluminum pan, because you want this to be as quick and easy as possible, and you want your cleanup to be effortless. So yes, I used a aluminum pan for this, and now it is going into the oven, into my preheated oven, and it's going to bake in there for covered. You didn't see it covered, but it baked in there for 45 minutes, and then I took the cover off for another 10 to give it a nice slightly brown color. And here is your quick and easy creamy cheesy macaroni and cheese. It was a hit, and all My whole family loved it, and I'm sure that your family will love it also. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Leave in the comment section, tell me how you liked it if you try it. Have a great day. Bye.